Welcome to the Weather Centre on the weekend, where a cold front brings in wintry weather in November. On our feature cast, you'll see it bring in showers over the southern part of South Africa, with cooler air moving in behind it, but things remain fine and dry over the central interior. We're also forecasting thunder showers and showers over the northeastern and eastern parts, with that cooler air reaching the southern part of KwaZulu-Natal on Saturday afternoon. The South African Weather Service have issued a warning for gale force winds along the coast, and that's between Cape St. Francis and Port Alfred. They've also issued a warning for high seas along the coast, and that's between Mossel Bay and Durban. Here's our rainfall probability map with a band of scattered thunder showers and showers extending from Botswana through Limpopo and Gauteng, as well as Mpumalanga, with isolated showers expected as we head towards the east coast. And then you'll see that cold front bringing in a 60% chance of rainfall, mainly along the south coast of the Western Cape, isolated as we head further inland as well as towards the Cape Peninsula. And with the cold front, we might see some snow, mainly over the high-lying regions of the Western Cape. Here's our maximum temperature map showing the cooling effect of that cold front. 17 degrees for Dar and Port Elizabeth, 16 as we head towards George. Cape Town expecting a high of 19. We'll see that cooler air reach Durban in the afternoon with a maximum of 22. 30 for Richards Bay and Bombela, warm for Pretoria and Polokwane at 27, 22 degrees for Kimberley and Bloemfontein. Along the west coast, we're expecting moderate beach conditions between Langebaan and Namaqualand, with a fresh southerly wind for Langebaan and a strong southeasterly wind for Alexander Bay, so poor beach conditions there with a 3.5 metre southwesterly swell and a wave period of 10 seconds. In the southwest, we're expecting a fresh southerly wind for Cape Town, with more of a southwesterly component to that wind as we head towards Cape Agulhas, with strong winds in the forecast. Poor beach conditions are expected here, with a 4.5 metre southwesterly swell and wave heights between 5 and 7 feet. Along the south coast, poor beach conditions are expected, with a strong southwesterly wind for Mossel Bay and Plettenberg Bay, more of a westerly wind for Jeffreys Bay and Port Elizabeth, with an average wind speed of around 65 kilometres per hour, with an incredibly large swell here of 6.5 metres and wave heights between 8 and 10 feet. Along the east coast, poor beach conditions are expected, with a northwesterly wind for Durban in the morning and more of a southwester in the afternoon. We're forecasting a strong southwesterly wind for East London and more of a northerly wind for Richards Bay. Along the east coast, we'll see a 2 metre easterly swell mainly along the KwaZulu-Natal coast, with waves between 2 and 3 feet. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a great Saturday.